What is going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be breaking down what a catch-all email actually is, why you guys need one, and how to actually set one up. So without any further ado, let's just hop right into it. And as always, guys, if you do enjoy this video or help you guys out in any way, please be sure to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button for more content. And if you guys haven't checked out some other videos, I would definitely suggest doing so. So to start us off, this is going to actually be an updated video from my last one that I made a couple years ago. I believe in the previous video, I used Namecheap to make the catch-all. Unfortunately, some websites now are blocking Namecheap catch-alls just because they're so popular. So in this video, we're going to be using G Suite. It's personally what I've been using and I haven't had any issues. Unfortunately, it's going to be a little more expensive, but it's definitely going to be a lot better quality and your emails aren't going to get blocked, unlike on Namecheap. Now, before we get too far into the video, I do want to break down what a catch-all email actually is. Honestly, guys, it's really simple. All a catch-all email is going to do is allow you to have multiple email addresses all sent to the same place. So for example, let's say my catch-all is UnlimitedCop.com. I could have literally thousands upon thousands, even literally as many emails as I want under that domain. So it would be like hunter@unlimitedcop.com, hunter2@unlimited.com, and so on and so forth. And every single email that was sent to @unlimitedcop.com would get sent to the same place. This is very advantageous if you have like Nike sneakers accounts and you want all the emails to go to one place, or if you have a bunch of foot site profiles and you want all the checkouts to go to the same email. Really easy to do. So you don't have to have 20, 50, 100 different email addresses that you have to look through to get the confirmation emails. And like I said previously, guys, you can use Namecheap to do this, but I would definitely suggest switching over to G Suite if you guys haven't already, just because I've heard a lot of people having issues with Namecheaps and not getting their emails. So let's actually hop onto my computer now. I'll show you guys how to get started with G Suite and make a catch-all. All right, guys, so as you can see, we're on my computer now. We have Google domains pulled up. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is have an actual catch-all domain. I would definitely suggest having a .com domain. If you have like .xyz or .club or something like weird, sometimes they can catch on to that. I would definitely recommend having it be like a trustworthy domain. Definitely wouldn't do like sneaker plug 6969 or like shoe reseller or something like that, because they might see that. I would do something maybe with your name or like your dog's name. I don't know, something they probably wouldn't notice, and definitely do a .com. So for the sake of the video, I'm not going to actually go through and buy a domain, but I do have my UnlimitedCop.com domain that I'm going to be using for the sake of this video. So just find your domain, buy it on Google Domains, check it out, and you'll be good to go. From there, make your way over to G Suite. You can either just type in G Suite, or I'll put a link down in the description below. Hit on get started, put in the business name, or just use like the domain that you just bought, number of employees, hit next, go through and input all this information right here, and then put in your domain right here. I already have a catch-all with UnlimitedCop.com, so I'm going to try .club. Then it'll hit next again. Then it'll take you to this page. If you guys haven't bought a domain, you can just hit buy new domain right here and do that. I don't know why you wouldn't have a domain. And then here you can put whatever you want. I mean, usually I just put like contact at, it doesn't matter, and then input a password. From here, solve the CAPTCHA and then hit continue and agree. And then from here, guys, it'll have you log into your account, hit accept, and then you'll have to buy the plan. So the only bad thing about having a G Suite catch-all is it is going to be $12 a month. I mean, if you have an actual business G Suite account, you can also use that. So let's say you have like another company or whatnot, you can use that and just have a catch-all set up with it, or you're just gonna have to pay the $12 a month, which I mean, it isn't that bad, but compared to the Namecheap that's like $1 a year, it is pretty expensive. So just put in all your information right here, your name, your address, all that good stuff. Then put in your credit card, hit next, and then you'll be good to go. Then as you can see right here, our account has been created. From there, just hit next, and it'll kind of walk you through a couple steps. From here, we're going to want to verify our domain, hit continue, copy this right here. Then depending on the provider, it'll give you different instructions right here. So my UnlimitedCop.club domain is actually on Namecheap, so I'll have to do it on there. But it is also very easy to do on Google Domains. All you want to do is come down here to where you see custom records, add a text record, put in the text, change this to 1 minute, and then hit add, and you'll be good to go. I'll also show you guys how to do it, so if you have a domain on Namecheap, you can do it on there very easily. Now once you guys have signed in and found your domain, simply just come down here to advanced DNS, select add a new record right here, select text, then paste in that long code from G Suite, put an @ here, then hit the check mark. It also gives you instructions right here if you guys want to follow those also. Hit verify my domain, and then it will take a second to verify the domain. Actually might take a couple minutes. Alright guys, and after a couple minutes, you'll see right here that it's verified the domain. Then we already have a user created, so we don't need to make a new one. From here, we can just hit activate, select these boxes, and then hit continue. Then from here, guys, you're gonna wanna change your MX records on the domain. So like I said, I'm using Namecheap, so I'm gonna follow these instructions right here. But if you guys are using Google Domains, I'll put a link down in the description to a guide on how to do that also. Additionally, it'll tell you exactly step by step with pictures right here on how to do that. So since I'm using Namecheap, I'm simply just gonna go over to my domain, go to advanced DNS and select the mail service. I'm obviously using Gmail, so I'm gonna select that, then hit save changes. From there, it'll say the mail settings are successfully saved, then I'll hit activate Gmail. If you guys are using Google domains, all you have to do is just find the MX records and change it to these ones right here. Super easy to do. In fact, I think it might even automatically do it for you. From here, we can just hit skip for now, and then we're good to go. Come up to the top left and hit the Google admin, and then we'll see our dashboard right here. So we're gonna wanna make our way to apps right here. Select Google Workspace, go down to Gmail right here, go to advanced settings, go down to where you see routing, and then you'll see this little configure thing pop up. Click on that. Then we wanna click on inbound and internal receiving. Come down to where we see change envelope recipient. So as you can see right here where it says replace recipient, you have to put the email that you made. So like I made contact@unlimitedcop.club, the original like first portion of the video. Make sure you put that email in right here. Otherwise you're not gonna get your emails. So be sure to do that. Very, very important. Hit the show options button and scroll down, and then deselect the users and hit unrecognized/catchall. Then at the top here, you just gotta give it a short description. You can name it like Catchall, UnlimitedCop Catchall, whatever you wanna name it pretty much. Then hit add setting. Then come down to the bottom where you see discard and save. Obviously click on save. It'll take a second to load, and then you can see it'll say changes have been saved. And that's pretty much it, guys. We've successfully set up our catchall email. Then you'll be able to see any emails that you send to @unlimitedcop.club or whatever your catchall is. They will all go to one place. So then from there, guys, give it like 10 to 15 minutes to actually set up and curate itself. And then from there, you'll see any email that you put @unlimitedcop.club you'll get the email in your inbox right here. As you can see right here, guys, we got the email, and it's not to contact@unlimitedcop.club. It's a random text and then @unlimitedcop.club, obviously. If you guys have any questions or anything or something that didn't go over in this video, be sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer you guys. If I did help you guys out in any way in this video, please be sure to leave a like down below and hit the subscribe button for more content, and definitely check out some other videos. If you guys haven't followed my Twitter, my TikTok, my Instagram, my Snapchat, all the good stuff is linked down in the description below. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.